At ayun na nga, bago na ang ating Senate President. Walang iba kundi si Alan Peter Cayetano. Napatalsik na si Senator Bulaga Soto. Nabulaga ka, no? At syempre, panoorin natin ang video na ito kung papaano ginisa itong si Senator Tito Soto. Hindi na siya Senate President. Panoorin natin ito.
Villanueva is recognized.
Mr. President, may I be allowed to humbly move to declare all seats vacant, Mr. President?
What does the majority leader say?
Parang malungkot dito si
Motion to
Tito
declare
Soto.
all positions vacant in the Senate.
Mr. President, under our rules that takes precedence, we'll have to vote on it. We'll ask for a roll call vote for the motion of Senator Joel Villanueva.
So a roll call vote is in order.
Oh.
The secretary will conduct a roll call. Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized.
Ang lungkot yata ni Tito
Because
Soto.
once we start the vote, we cannot
Yes,
recognize
yes, Mr.
anyone.
President. Just a clarification as to seats or positions. Are we speaking of all positions?
The motion is all positions vacant by
Which positions, just for the record, Mr. President? All positions
Ang lalaki ang mata ni Kiko,
of the leadership. Okay.
Ano ba? Hindi magets ni Kiko?
All right. The secretary will conduct a roll call vote.
Ayan na.
The motion is to declare all positions vacant. The vote in agreement is a yes and a no for the other side.
Yan.
You, go ahead.
Roll call of members. Honorable Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian,
Excuse me. We cannot hear the votes of the people. Please rise and say your
Hello?
vote.
yes sir. Yes, sir.
Ulitin mo.
Roll call of members. Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa,
Yes,
Senator
syempre yes.
Ejercito, Senator Escudero,
What? Abstain.
Abstain.
Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Hontiveros, Senator Lacson, Senator Lapid, Senator Ligarda, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marcos,
Yes,
Senator
yan.
Padilla,
Yes.
Senator Pangilinan, Senator Tulfo Irwin,
Syempre no yun.
Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camil,
Ayun?
Senator Villar Mark, Senator Subiri, Senator
Huh?
President Soto.
Nag-no si Sabiri? Talaga?
No.
Syempre no mo sarili mo. Alam naman mag-yes ka. Paltan mo sarili mo? Oh, yan na.
Yeah. Ano?
Ano? Mahirap bang basahin? Mahirap bang tanggapin? Ang sakit-sakit naman. O ano? Hindi niya alam kung paano babasahin eh.
With 13 affirmative votes,
Hmm.
10 negative votes, and 1 abstention,
Oh.
the positions in all the positions in the Senate is hereby declared vacant.
With that, Mr. President, may I move, therefore, to nominate Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as the new Senate President?
Mhm.
Are you designating me as the presiding officer? Because I am, the position is already
No.
vacant. I think you must elect somebody to take the position. I am no longer the presiding officer. So you designate a presiding officer. In the meantime, I
Yes,
suspend session.
No. At eto na, ipapakilala na at manunumpa na bilang bagong Senate President si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Masakit ito para kay Tito Soto.
May we call on Senator Camille Villar to administer the oath to the newly elected Senate President, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano.
Ayan na.
Dito para yung flag daw. Sila ate.
Oath of office. I state your full name,
I, Alan Peter Shram Cayetano,
having been elected to the position of Senate President,
having been elected to the position of Senate President,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
the duties of my present position,
the duties of my present position,
Nakakatuwa lang.
and of all others I may hereafter hold,
Wala na si
and
Bulaga.
of all others I may hereafter hold,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
that I will support and defend the
Nakakakilig, no?
Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will uphold and support, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
promulgated by the duly
Goodbye,
constituted
Soto.
authorities,
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities.
Ang
and
saya.
maintain true faith and allegiance
Iyak na naman ng mga
True faith and
kakamping
allegiance
to the
at
Republic
loyalista.
of the
to
Philippines,
the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Ayun. Ang bagong Senate President. Goodbye, Tito Soto. Ano naman kaya ang sasabihin ng mga kakamping at loyalista na pinalitan na si Tito Soto? Bakit kasi naman magiging Senate President yan? Anong alam niyan sa batas? Abogado ba yan? Sa papaano na yan, Bagong Senate President, si Alan Peter Cayetano. Sa posible na kayang mapalitan ang Senate Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman na si Ping Lacson na pinadidili at pinatatagal ang investigasyon sa flood control. Yari kayo ngayon. Ay baka ang gawin dito ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano ay gawin ulit or ibalik ulit bilang chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee si Senator Dante Marcoleta. So tuloy-tuloy na ang investigasyon sa flood control. At syempre, isa sa mga possibility ay baka hindi na mag-convene ng impeachment, ay baka hindi na mag-convene ang Senado bilang impeachment court kung sakaling ma-transmit ang articles of impeachment ng Kongreso. Tawan-tawa pa naman sila, mga nagsipirmahan. Tapos ang ending, kung ma-transmit nila sa Senado, hindi naman magko-convene na impeachment trial ang Senado. Di wala din, ligwak din ang impeachment. Nga. Ganon talaga ang buhay. Sinabi ko naman sa inyo, bilog ang mundo. Minsan nasa ibabaw ka, minsan nasa ilalim ka. Kapag sumobra ka at talaga namang nilubos-lubos mo ang iyong pamamalagi sa itaas at may natatapakan ka ng tao na argabyado, ay bababa ka talaga. Lalagpak ka sa ibaba. O paano na ngayon, Tito Soto? Wala nang forthwith? Ano ang masasabi ninyo ngayong bago na ang Senate President? Pinalitan na si Tito Soto Bulaga. At ang pumalit ay si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Ano ang inyong opinyon? I'm sure tuwang-tuwa kayo. Mag-iwan ng comment at like dyan sa ibaba at magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na video.